Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss another topic about the biomolecules. And the most important topic is the carbohydrate. We will discuss some important MCQs regarding to the subjective annual paper and particularly regarding the MDCAT paper. And we have some important MCQs related to this carbohydrates. And the statement is some carbohydrates are the main constituents of dash in plants and microorganism. And in the options we have plasma membranes, nucleic acids, cell wall, and ribosomes. So the exact answer is cell wall, because in this cell wall the carbohydrates are mainly present and they are the main constituent of plants and microorganisms. The next MCQ statement is point out one which is a disaccharide, and the options are glucose, agar, maltose, and chitin. Dear students, in this MCQs, the agar and chitins both are polysaccharides, but the glucose is a monosaccharides. So the exact answer is the beta maltose. Next MCQ, pick up the common character in dihydroxyacetone and fructose. Number of carbon atoms, aldehyde group, number of hydroxyl groups, OH group, and ketonic group. So dear students, in both these fructose and dihydroxyacetone, ketonic group is a common. So the right answer is the delta. Next, a sugar present in FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide, triose, glucose, ribose, and fructose. So the right answer is the beta ribose. The most common respiratory substrate as a source of energy is maltose, sucrose, glycogen, glucose. In this MCQ, the keyword is a source of energy which is used as a substrate. So the quick energy source and the instant energy source for the body is glucose. So the right answer is the delta. Next MCQ, which one of the following is rare in nature and occur in some bacteria? Pentose, tetrose, triose, and hexose. So according to these options, the Charlie option is the right, tetrose, which is a 4 carbon monosaccharide. It is rare in nature and found in some bacteria. Next we have, it is the most abundant carbohydrate in nature. In this MCQ, the keyword is the nature, and the right answer would be cellulose. If this nature is changed with the living organism, the answer would also be changed. But according to this statement, the right answer is the cellulose, Charlie option. Next question, maltose is composed of glucose and galactose, glucose and fructose, fructose and galactose, glucose and glucose. So the right answer is the glucose plus glucose delta. Pick up the product of given below reaction, and the reaction is given glucose plus galactose. So dear students, glucose plus galactose will give rise to the lactose, which is also called milk sugar. In next MCQ, animal have a substance stored in liver and muscles known as. So this specific substance is glycogen, and it is also stored in some cyanobacteria, bacteria, and as well in some fungi. Next, blood group antigen contain what? Glycolipids, phospholipids, sphingomyelin, and glycoprotein. So antigen is mainly composed of glycoprotein. So the right answer is the delta. What is the general formula satisfies the four monosaccharides? So according to the given options, the right answer is the Charlie, in which this carbon and this water will change according to the number of n. While the respect all the rest other options are wrong. 2n would be the wrong concept. This 2n would also be the wrong. So the right answer is the char. Thank you so much.